Namaskar, everybody. Shivansh, can you please rename to Shivansh and your roll number? Thank you. And Swikriti, Farheen, please switch on your cameras. We really like to teach face to face. Thank you.
Leela also can put her roll number. Now, it's not Neil, it's Leela. Her number must be roll number. She got her number?
I don't know it.
Okay.
It's there in the roll call sheet. Anyways, I'll share it again in the WhatsApp group. There's the roll call sheet, so there should be the roll number for Leela. Okay. Great. So any questions regarding lesson number 1 from anybody? Any issues in pronunciation? Koi problem pronunciation mein? Koi question related to lesson number 1? Silence means no questions. Silence means सबको सब कुछ आता है.
मतलब कुछ पोरो ही नहीं किया. किसी ने लेसन 1 को पढ़ा ही नहीं तो क्वेश्चन कहाँ से आएगा? नहीं शिवांश? Support lesson number 1, Shivansh.
What?
Did you study lesson number 1 properly?
Yes.
Yes. So okay, then we start with you. I want to listen to the poem.
Wait, what poem?
Poem, the first lesson poem. The not introduction lesson, not first lesson 1.
Rin Gain
Malin, yes.
Ringe malun paret chire, Nainas bet botas belaj har, Gota barabara ko akakara, Walbe pan sakyavatavar, Wallabe pan sakyavatavar. Okay, I'm done.
Well done. Very good.
Now we have Leela, because this particular session is only for the new guys, new students. Yeah. Leela, same song.
We didn't have it.
Yeah, we joined late, so she actually doesn't have the song.
Oh, it is in the introduction. No problem. I will give it today again. And next one.
She'll do it next time.
Sure. Farheen ji, boliye. Taisho Vanun Subat.
Rin Gain
Malun. Agar if you have it on your mobile aspect, तो एक time पे corrections हो रही कि you should remember it extempore.
I do remember it.
Fantastic. ताई सूज हुई ना ऐसी निशान ऐसे कहते हैं कि go get it.
ये सूज में हुमन वो कुसुम मैम को ही भेजे.
अच्छा नहीं कोई बात नहीं उनको भेजे बट ये जो है ना ये सब इधर भेज दीजिए मेरे को या शिवानी जी को बाकी जो होमवर्क है ग्रुप में भी भेज सकते हो दैट्स आल्सो ओके जैसे शिवांश ने भेजा था लास्ट टाइम you can send on the group also. Doesn't matter now. You go ahead and let us enjoy your song. बोलिए कोई नहीं
Rengai malyon parit shirit myanis batas belajhar kotah bari ko akhara walbeh panas khyawat var.
Oh, excellent.
Very good.
Excellent, I should say. Excellent as a first try.
Very good.
Sukriti ji?
Rengai malyan parat shirat myanas batas belajhar Kutah bari ko kharak walbehi panas khawatwar.
Very good. Excellent. Good job.
Chalo, my day is made today. I just beginning बहुत बढ़िया. So let's do one thing. Let's start because I think it's enough time. Let's start with the revision of the first. I can share screen, na?
जी. You can.
Okay.
आपको मैंने co-host बना दिया, so you have all the.
Okay, thank you. So this is lesson number 1. So what we'll do कि हम क्या करेंगे? Just give me 1 second. able to push this up. Okay, now let us start with Farhinji. Farhinji, can you go ahead? Okay.
G, J, D, D, B.
क्या इश्यू लिखित?
क्या मतलब क्या इश्यू लिखित?
कि हाँ ये क्या इश्यू लिखित? ऐसे क्या इश्यू लिसनर्स में थ्रो मत ये?
क्या इसलिए हम छन कशिरस मंज की ही?
क्या कशिरस मंज छन हगान वाले? हाँ कशिर लिखनस मंज छन ये?
तो इसलिए as to always ये चीज याद थवेन, we always have to remember कि कश्मीरी में हम कौन से कॉन्सोनेंट्स का यूज नहीं करते हैं, जैसे बड़ा घ, बड़ा झ, बड़ा ध. One demobak example, suppose it is gar, गर gar. हम कश्मीरी में जब बोलते हैं हम घर नहीं बोलते हैं, हिंदी में we say घर, right? कश्मीरी में ना गारे कसव, we use small g, गमले वाला g. So we have to always remember जब भी हम sounds पढ़ते हैं या sounds बोलते हैं, ये भारी वाली sound या झंडा झ, हम झ कश्मीरी में यूज नहीं करते, हम बोलते हैं जंड, ज, छोटा ज हम यूज करते हैं, राइट? तो इसलिए ये हमें याद रखना है. तो जब भी हम कश्मीरी में बात करें तो हम ये वाले या लिखें, we don't use these भारी sounds, g, h, d, h, like that. जी
स्वीकृति जी,
हाँ, बीच में आपकी आवाज चली गई थी कुलदीप जी.
Oh, sorry. Am I audible now?
तभी I took over.
अच्छा, okay. Something is, I don't know what is wrong with it. Though I am supposed to have 100 Mbps broadband, I don't know, some issue there.
नहीं, तभी I took over. So
okay, no problem. Always no problem. Whenever you see that, please do that.
जी.
जी.
Actually, I don't know how to pronounce.
You don't know? No problem. No problem. Let us go back to Farhin ji.
Okay. Okay, I am not good with Hindi or phonetics, but I'll try.
God. Don't worry. We'll correct it.
Okay.
You should remember. I'm sad guess someone yaad. Remember you. Okay, very good.
O.
Oh, yeah. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Shivansh, can you read this, beta? Can you read this?
Sa. Sha. Z.
Very good. Sa, z. So you're writing in Roman English, I guess, or both? Devanagari and
not both. I'm doing Roman.
TS, TSH, and Z. So you should remember this, okay?
Sa.
Great.
Sa.
Z. Very good. Nice. Let's go. Leela, what's written here?
Uk.
Very good. Then?
Uz.
Very good.
Tarav.
Fantastic. 3 out of 3. Great. 100%. Great. So let's get back to who else is there today in the class. I'm not able to see. Farinji, can you tell me who else is there in the class apart from Shivansh, Leela, yourself, and anybody else? Swikriti ji, please, can you read this?
Sarav.
Very good.
Aram. Fun.
Very good.
Aram.
Aram.
Okay.
Shivansh, can you see it is A with a longish left to right asterisk. That is
It makes ah sound.
Very
Aram.
good. Aram. Very good. Very good. Sukriti ji, please continue.
Ab.
Ab.
Actually, I had that confusion only because I thought in Kashmiri we don't open our mouths that much. Even in that poem, it was like
No, I'm making
yelling.
it little more pronounced just for understanding. Aram is correct. You don't have to say Aram. No, Aram is okay, but it was just to make a distinction between Aram and Aram.
Okay.
Okay, that's perfectly. You're spoken very properly. Okay, next.
Ak.
This is a difference between. See, we had one in the beginning was ak. This
Okay.
is here you have to be a little more. See, I'll go back to that. This is ak,
Ak.
akh,
Okay.
and this one is ak. This
Oh.
is ak because it has a left to right asterisk on a. It means it is ak. Okay. So this is the difference. This is what I was telling in the earlier word. Okay. She's better known. What is this?
Kan.
Kan. Farenji. Next.
Van.
Very good.
Raat.
I think that's it. So actually, अगर आप ये देखेंगे, will share, शिवानी जी will share, ये आपके साथ share करेंगी ये PDF. You will see कि तारी फिक्री के आत्मविश्वास pictorially लिखा है. रात means it's night, just for understanding. Van means it is shop. Kan means we say arrow. In Kashmir, it is called Kan. Okay, it is not ear. It is Kan is arrow. Ak is a scar. On this hand, you can see there is a small bruise, which is called ak. Ab, of course, water. Aram means taking rest. Pan means thread, not spool, only thread. Aram means the molar tooth, the inside tooth. Sarv means cypress tree. Actually, just for clarification, Kunsatanshi Iswanan Sarvakulti. Sarvakulti Vanan, मगर individually tree का नाम सर्व है, ठीक है ना? सर्वकुल या सर्व. Okay. As go today. Ak means one, number one. Okay, just for revision. So we'll go to our next lesson. Anybody has any confusion on this? When I will close the lesson number 1, I will close. Or kisi ko Leela, Shivansh, Farheen, Sukriti ji, anybody?
No,
So,
I'm fine.
It's ak and ak, right?
Yeah, yes.
Ak. Okay.
Ak is AKH or ak. You are reading in what? Devanagari or you are reading in?
No, Devanagari.
Devanagari. If it is Devanagari, then it's much easier. Ak, and if you see ak is a. So it is definitely, you can see this. This is a. It is not ak. It is ak. So that's perfectly all right. Okay. Anybody else? Leela, anything? Great. You have picked up pronunciation like anything. You are doing great. I am very happy with the small kids. They're doing just great. So, okay, I'll close this revision and you will get this PDF on your group. Now we'll come back to lesson number. Let's go to lesson number 2 today. Okay. Sukriti ji, can you read this prayer?
Om Namami Twam Sharda Devim Mahabhagim Bhagavatim Kashmir Purvasinim Vidya Dayinim Rakshmam Namami Twam.
Thank you. Or who else is there who reads? Oh, I think nobody else better than you to read this Lalwak also, Sukriti, since you are
I
a
can
fan
try.
of you. Oh, sure, why not? Why not?
It's
Why
going
not?
to be
You can-
hard, but I can try.
No problem, no problem. It's not going to be hard for you. You are an earlier monitor, so I think it should be much easier.
Ame pan Sodras Nave Chus Laman Kate Boze Dai Myon Me Te
Hmm.
Diye Tar Amyan Takian Poin Zan Shaman Z Chum Brahman Gur Guts Ha.
It is, tell you frankly, it is fantastic because you actually practice everything in Roman. Still in Devanagari you did it, but the actual pronunciation, how it is, let us look at. Let's listen to Sukriti, and then if there is anything more to correct, then I will do it.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I
We-
don't
we-
know about those the matra in
Matra
Pandit.
is Asha. Okay, you want me to read this? No problem. I'll read this. Okay. Amya pan sadras navichas lama kati boje daimyon miti dietar amyan taken poinzan shaman zuchum brahman gargatsa gargatsa gargatsne gar
Yeah,
it is r under that. So
Yeah,
this is gargatsa.
it's
It's
the
one
A.
of
It's the A with the hat.
it is not A with the hat. It is
It's
you
you?
with the you with an ast and with the hat on top. Okay. So it is one of the most famous lalwaks. Very famous lalwak. Farinji, can you give it a try, or can you read this?
Oh, I have this here. Okay, I don't think this is visible, but
Actually,
this
it
is the
doesn't matter.
Roman translation.
One more thing I wanted to tell you.
I do have a Roman
Particularly
translation.
also tell one more key whether there is a Nastalic version.
Nastalic.
So using Shivani ji osak one page or Masterji on Thomas that was Nastalic like. What I would suggest the as kirto to especially for you and me, you try to write this in Nastalic. Huh? Doesn't matter how it is later on. Okay, then send it only to me. I will just try. Okay.
मुझे थोड़ी बहुत आती है because I am from Kashmir. I live in Kashmir. तो मैंने थोड़ी पढ़ी है, थोड़ी सी.
Very good. चलो
ज़्यादा आती नहीं.
चलो can you read this? हाँ कोई बात नहीं. You read it from mobile. No.
Okay, I found the Roman. Okay, and I sent it in the group as well. So I'm a pana sadras navichas laman atibos daimyon metiditar amen taken poison shaman zuchum brahman gargatha.
Fantastic. Thank you. Made my day. Everybody is so beautifully singing. Last lesson, lesson number 1. I suppose and we also just rehearsed I score win sorry practice titiman vowel word size whatever we learned last time, we also did a revision before this, and this is a sort of revision of the same thing what we have done. Okay, consonants. Can anybody last we learned 3 affricative consonants. Can anybody tell me what are affricative consonants? Koibi? Any student, and what were those 3? And Shivansh?
Wait, is
okay.
What were the 3 affricative consonants we learned in the lesson number 1? Can you tell me?
Z, Ch, and Ch. No.
Very good. Ch. Z, Ch, Th. Okay. Very good. Now, Leela, can you tell me which English alphabets are not part of Roman Kashmiri alphabet? Can you tell me? We read them last time. It didn't have. They were marked in red in lesson number 1. Okay, go ahead. You can read, doesn't matter. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Press it.
Go ahead. I'm not able to hear you. Go ahead.
C,
Yeah.
Q, and X.
One more.
X.
Q.
I said Q.
You said C, Q, and X. There are 4.
Oh,
Tell
F.
me.
F.
F. Very good. Thank you. So we should remember why we are not using, because as I said earlier, C, both sounds which are either S or K are represented by S or K. Q is K represented by K. F is represented by PH, meaning fur. And which was the last one? I've covered all 4. Pardon?
X.
X, yeah. We don't have any word with X. Fantastic. Very good. Shivani, thank you. Thank you so much. So we start speaking in Kashmiri now. Okay, Shivansh.
Can I ask a question about?
Yeah. Always welcome. Good.
It's kind of X, but really it's KH. Like I know when you say like, treasurer, for example, you say Khazanchi.
Yeah.
Right. But
Yeah.
like, do other folks would the Muslim people in Kashmir say Khazanchi instead of Khazanchi?
No, it is the same. It is the same. It is the same. Let me tell you one thing. There are still dialect difference, whether it is differences, whether it is Kashmiri Hindus or Muslims, it doesn't make any difference. It has more to do with where from in Kashmir they were, whether they are from Anantnag area or Pahalgam area, if you can understand, or they were from Baramulla area, or they were from Srinagar. So there are slight differences in the dialects, but that has nothing to do with this. This is
That's not the pronunciation.
We do not have KH. We do not have. We simply use K. I mean, KH is okay. What I'm saying is we do not have H. We don't have H. We have K,
Right.
simple K. Okay.
Because I know in Punjabi, when I meet someone from India, Punjab, they won't say that, but from Pakistan, Punjab, they will say that, even though they're speaking the same language.
That's right. These are dialects, I could say. They're not really the difference. Since what we teach here, Neil, is generally spoken in Kashmir overall, and predominantly probably Srinagar and around. Not so much, because dialect differences are there, which will probably, once we know all Kashmiri, so I think we'll be more clear to understand the differences. Okay. Can I proceed? Can I proceed, Neil?
Sorry. Yes, of course. Thank you.
Okay. Then let's start. Today we will learn U. These are 4 sounds. These are specially made for Kashmir. There is no such pronunciation in either Devanagari or in Roman English. Hence, we had to develop 6 of them separately. Today we'll discuss 4 of them. Okay. आज हम 4 ये स्पेशल वॉवल कश्मीरी में जो यूज हो रहे हैं हम यूज करेंगे. आज करोवेज यम 4 कश्मीर वॉवल समझो कुछ पोटेंशियल सेंटेंसेस में या वर्ड्स में जवान लफ्ज़स में जवान इस्तेमाल कर. Guide word is ach. So remember, every time whenever you see a with ardhachandra on top or a with a circle on top, it has to be pronounced as a. So a few more examples of the same. Gar. Now it is not gar, it is gar. Vari. Again, vari. Nar. Var. It is not var, it is var. Dar. Ans. Kuts. sir. So I think it makes some sense. Let us do one thing. Let's try them again. Okay. Sukriti ji, let's start with you. Can you read all these?
Ach, Ghar, Ghari, Nar, Var, Dar, An, Kat, Sir.
Very good. Shivansh.
Gar. No, wait. Sorry,
Oh,
sorry.
not gar. No way.
Gar.
Gar. You
Gar.
first start from the first one.
Ach.
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 Achna. It was ach only if it was ACHH. It is A with a circle on top. Ach.
Ach.
This is very important. When you pronounce this correctly, then you can pronounce any Kashmiri word properly. So it's very, very important. So that's why I'm practicing it again. Ach. So go ahead. Ach. Then.
Gar.
Very good.
Vari.
Very.
Vari.
Mm-hmm.
Nar.
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 Mm-hmm.
Dar. Dar. Ans.
Hold on. It is not dar. Dar.
Dar. Dar.
We have to always keep in mind ach. When you're reading A with the circle on top, you have to always remember ach. So ver, dar. Okay. Can you pronounce
Dar.
again? Yeah. Okay. Good.
Uns.
Very good.
Guts. Sar.
Sir. Kurz, sir. Sarn. If sir would be TSAR, it is sir. A with a circle on top. Okay. Sir. Same way, it is not cuts. It is cuts. Cuts. So A with a circle on top means cuts. Okay. Now Farhinjit, can you go ahead?
It's like
Ach, Gur, Vari, Nar, Var, Dar, Ans, Kat, Sir.
Very good. Excellent. Leela?
Ach, Gur, Vari, Nar, Var, Tar, Ans, Uns, Cuts, Sir.
Sir, not sir. Sir.
Sir.
And same way, not cuts. Cuts. Cuts.
Cuts.
Very good. I think Huzaifa ji has joined. Can you please read this, Huzaifa ji? If you have listened to me.
Some of it.
Okay, no problem. Can you go ahead?
Ach, Gur, Vari, Nar, Var, Dar, Ans, Kat, Sir.
Fantastic. Good. Let's go to the next one. Next vowel. Here it is more to do with, see the guide word. Merge. Now remember, whenever we write, this is A with an Ardha Chandra on top, if it is Devanagari, A with a double dot on top. Merge. So if it is, say for instance, if I write this as MAJ, it is Maj. If it was MA with a dot on top, with a circle on top and J, Maj. But this is merge. So for merge, we have to use A with a double dot and J. Shivansh, Leela, and everybody else. Please remember if you are reading in Roman. Okay. For others who are reading in Devanagari, it is A with an Ardha Chandra on top. It is merge. It is not Maj. If it was A only, it would have been Maj. It is merge with a A with an Ardha Chandra on top. Okay. Now let me read all this and then we'll all practice again. Oh, sorry. Dhar, Kar, Var, Dan, Ush, Us, her, lur, varis. Okay. So let's start again with, let's start this time with Shivansh. Vanumara. Start with the red one, first one, guide word.
Dhar.
No, first one, red one. Whatever is written in red first.
Merge.
Merge, correct.
Dhar. Kar. Var. Don. No, wait. Don. Ush. Us.
Us. Again, same way, same pronunciation. Us. Okay.
Her.
Uh-huh.
Lur. Varis.
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 In Hindi, you would call it varis if it was va, ra, is, varis. Or in Roman, it would be W-A-R-I with the left, right to left asterisk and S. Okay. Fantastic. So Leela, can you read all this? Remember, again, I'm repeating this. Remember this merge. Merge is the guide word for this A with a double dot on top and A with a Ardhachandra on top. Okay. Remember. Leela, can you please read this for me?
Merge. Dhar. Kar. Var. Dar.
Slowly. Go ahead.
Wait.
Done. Okay.
Us. Us. Har. Lar. Varis.
It is not lar, it is lur.
Learn.
And it is not varis, varis.
Varis.
Very good. Excellent. Now, Huzaifa ji.
Merge, dar, kar, var, dan,
Ak minute. Huzaifa ji. तो şu manas man soğucan yine ye word paçote bana. Şu ye parun. क्या इसकी मिच पता तो अश्विम तक कशर वर्ड अच्छा हिंदी पे पर्टिकुलेशन पर मतलब ये छु परन क्या हेचुन छे कथ पटन छ लेखन मिच पता तो छु तगाने कशर मगर ये छु परन इत पटन कथ पटन छ तम से तर ना तारी फिक्री की मैं कथ पटन छ लेखो प्लीज गो अहेड अगेन
ओके merge dar kar var dan ush us her lur varis.
It's very good. Swikriti ji.
Merge. Dar. Kar. Var. Dan. Ush. Us. Her. Lur. Varis.
Very good. Nice. Okay. We have lost anybody from the team? I don't see. Okay, no problem. Neil ji, can you please?
Sure. Merge, dar, kar, var, dan, ush, us, her, lur, varis.
Hareen has got disconnected by chance. Can you see? Because I cannot see her.
Yeah, disconnected.
I think she dropped. Yeah, I think she dropped.
Okay, no problem. Probably she'll come back. Okay, no issue. Okay, then let's get to the next one. That is this sound is with the Ardhachandra on bottom or U with a cap on top, with a triangle on top. So this is So again, a typical Kashmir sound used only in Kashmiri. So guide word is B. B means me. B. S, charab, patij, gur, kal, musl, var, naram. Again, b, s, charab, patij, khur, gur, kal, musl, var, naram. Sukriti ji, you have some query? When you
I can't understand the difference between the first vowel and this. Like,
very
to
easy.
me, it sounds same.
And Ach is This is This is with from the throat.
Okay.
Now you I will give you this anyway. You have to go through. Read all these words. Toiparium seri word.
Read it now.
Yeah, go ahead.
B, so, sarab.
Now you remember the other words which we learned for the first one, which you said confused ho jata. Ach, that's totally different than b. Ach, b. Am I right? Now it makes a sense. It is with more of with you.
Okay.
B. In fact, iska Roman में भी you use किया गया. B. Okay, go ahead.
Pataz, khar, gur, kal, musl.
Hold on. No problem. Don't have to get worried. S, charab, patij, khur. I'm making it more pronounced so that you can understand that it's not, otherwise khur is good enough. Khur, gur, kal, musl, var, naram. Okay. Huzaifa ji, did you read this?
B, s, charab, patij, khur, gur, kal, musl, var, naram.
Very good. Leela, sorry.
Right. Yeah.
B, s, charab,
Patij.
patay,
Patij, not patij. Patij. Okay. Go again. No problem.
patij,
Good.
char,
Khur. Very good.
gur, kalu. Wait, what?
Very good. Very good.
Masla, var, naram.
Naram. Very good. Shivansh.
That's tricky.
Did you read this? No. Go ahead.
B, s,
Ban. B. No problem. Perfect. Your problem. I'm again repeat. B, s again.
B, s, charab, patij, khar,
Karna. Khur.
gur,
Khur. Khurn. Khur. Go ahead again. No problem. Khur.
khur,
gur.
kalu.
Go ahead. Don't worry. Don't get distracted by somebody sitting with you. Go ahead. Don't worry. I will. Very good.
Var,
Very good.
naram.
Parinji, I think you have joined back. Can you please read this?
Yeah. B, s, charab, Patuj, Khur, Gur, Kal, Musla, Var, Narum.
Again, what I told Huzaifa, you know these words.
Yeah.
Magar you shouldn't matlab manas mein pata aise you should birds na. You shouldn't kith pachin likit. Agar toy Romnas mein chu lekhan to th you shouldn't sochun demagas mein chu ts pachu karon ts. Charab chu chu ch charab. ठीक है? Or if it is Devanagari, again the same thing. Devanagari it is much easier. Tachu sirf only these accents have to be remembered. The Ardha Chandra. Rest is very simple. Okay. So go ahead again. Again, Farinji.
B, T, Charab, Patuj, Khur, Gur, Kal, Musla, Var, Narum.
Čo pata hai क्या इशूस वनान ये वार ये वुचित ऐसे करें ये मैं हेच ना मास्टर जी ऐसे बहुत दफा मैं कशर तगान मैं बचस मैं तगान सॉरी पे तगान पत यूथ लेखनी मैं उसमें पेवान याद th या यूएस पे कैप तच आवाज यवान so इसलिए that's why I'm repeating this here. Okay, thank you. Anybody else who's left in the report? Anybody? I think everybody. How about Neil? You did you go through this, Neil?
No, not yet. I'll do it.
Yeah, please, go ahead.
B, T, Charab, Patuj, Khur, Gur, Kal, Musla, Var, Narum.
Oh, you're still same fast. Good. Okay. Now it was now it is it is so I will go through this. Guide word is tur. If it was that's only one Ardha Chandra under this ta, it would be tur, but it is tur. Okay, so remember this. Tur, guide word is tur. Whenever we see a with the double Ardha Chandra on the bottom or u with a double dot, remember we have to always keep in mind tur. This word has to be registered in mind. Then it is much easier. Duf, purit, utim, punchim, gungat, kunk, kuma, suit, tunk. Some good words there. We will try, especially for Roman. You must remember the all first lesson. How are you, whatever we learned, it is here. Just say T with a dot is t, and T with a dot and H is t. So I'm just making and T with a with a I with superscript. It is ear. Avaz is t. T with it. It is more t and very faint ear. Same way, K will be k, but sound but with a very faint ear. Tink. Okay. So let's go. Huzaifa ji, can we start with you?
Tur. Dup.
Doof.
Doof. Purit. Utim. Punchim. Gungat.
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 Kunk. Kuma. Suite.
Suit. As I said, whenever there is a letter which is half and ear, it is more of the and very less of ear. Suit.
Suite. Okay. Suite. Tunk.
Very good. Shivansh.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Tur.
Hey, hold on. Tur. Put your tongue against the top of the teeth. Top rung of the teeth. Behind the tur. Okay? Yeah. Doof, not doof. Doof. Okay.
Got it.
Hmm.
Uttam.
Good.
Vansam.
Hmm.
Gongat.
Hmm.
Gunk.
Hmm. Hmm.
Ka. Kamu. No, wait, no. Wait. Oh, wait. Kamu.
Okay, I will correct it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Read all. Okay.
Sut. Turn.
See, actually, here in these words, there are a combination of more than one special vowel. So it's sometimes getting a little difficult. So it is, remember guide word for all of you. Tur. So when I write this, the, purit, utim, punchim, gungat, khunk, khum, sud, tunk. Okay? Farinji.
Turn.
Tur, dup, purit, utim, punchim, gungat, khunk, khum, sud, tunk.
Very good. Leela?
Tur, tu, purit, tam, tim,
Tim. T-H.
tim,
T with a dot and H is th. Tim. Very good.
tim,
Hmm.
punsyam,
Very good.
gungas,
Gungat. Hmm.
gungat,
Very good.
gungat,
KH is kh and KH is again kh. Khunk.
kunk,
Very good.
gumba, sweet, tunk,
Tunk. Tunk. Very good.
twink,
Sukriti ji.
Tur, duf, purit, utim, punchim, gungat, khunk, khum, sud, tunk.
Very good. I think excepting Neil, everybody has done. Neil ji, can you go ahead?
Sure. Tur, duf, purit, utim, punchim, gungat, khunk, khum, sweet, twink.
Very good. एक चीज मैं बताना भूल गया आप सबको, सभी वर्ड्स का जो भी हमने उसके साथ में उसका मीनिंग लिखा हुआ है. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब लेसन का रिवीजन होगा, आई विल आस्क यू इन द एक्चुअल वर्ड, देन यू हैव टू टेल मी व्हाट इट मीन्स इन कश्मीरी. ओके, रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ देम. आप सबको याद रखना है कि इसका जो मीनिंग है, जैसे यहाँ लिखा है तूर मीन्स कोल्ड, दूफ मीन्स इंसेंस, पूरित मीन्स बिडेक्ट, ऊटिम मीन्स एट्थ, पूंचिम मीन्स फिफ्थ, गुंगट मीन्स वेल, khunk means one who speaks with nose, khum means tent, suit means along with, tunk means money. So next time I'm going to ask you money and you have to tell me tunk, okay? So Leela, right? So you have to practice that. Okay, great. Let's go to the next one.
Just quickly, one who speaks through nose, is that an actually commonly used word?
Yes, very commonly used.
I've never heard of that
in Kashmir, it was very commonly used, but there were very few people who would do that. So obviously, it means it was easily understood. I cannot say it was easily commonly used, but it was easily understood.
It's kind of derogatory, right?
We can ask Farheen and Huzaifa whether they use it there daily.
No. I mean, it's kind
No, we
of
don't.
derogatory. It's kind of, I don't know.
नहीं पानवेन ना कत करने खतर छ तमिस छ थोड़े वनुन नफर
Zit chu kunu is panwin karan. It
is naturally much hakan when it comes to who is having some difficulty action team spawn butches patwana ke to naturally magar agar aise kans aise basic ka karen tasho pata himesh resha mein was brought necessary gavan temis ka when functions gavan necessary man monok na temis sai my engagement necessity functions kara. That doesn't mean here that all the time he was like that. It is a particular way of speaking. So it doesn't mean that
on purpose.
No, not on purpose. Sometimes some people, they cannot speak without speaking through nose, but certain people sort of act like that. So that is like that. So purposely. So even if it is purposely, we can say it is like speaking like a khunk. Okay, like that. Yes,
it's rare to see 5 words to define one word. There's 5 English words to define one word.
Yes. Actually, why I asked Farheen and Huzaifa was that whether it is still used. It is not definitely not told to the person who was involved. Definitely not. Behind, yes, sure. Just we need to understand what is the word.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let's proceed to the next one. Now, what we get to the little more purposeful reading of Kashmiri. So we'll converse in Kashmiri now. Okay. So we have come to sentences. We have understood that all Hindi vowels excepting we don't use, and 6 special vowels which we learned last time, 2 and 4 this time, are all used in writing Kashmiri. Okay. हमने अभी तक सारे देवनागरी के वॉवल्स जितने भी थे उनको समझ लिया. वो कौन कौन सा यूज होता है, उसमें आह नहीं यूज होता है, बाकी सारे यूज होते हैं. और दूसरा 6 स्पेशल वॉवल्स जो हमने पिछले लेसन में 2 और इस लेसन में 4 वो समझ लिए. Now we can speak them in. We will try to make some sentences. Okay. So this comes to the basic purpose. I say we have that purpose was that we should be able to read and write in Hindi and understand how it is written or how it is and how it is pronounced. Okay. So this is the finally result kya hona hai ye sab pad ke ki how to we pronounce each and every word. Okay. That's the purpose of this whole lecture. So we have understood the basic vowels and additional Kashmiri special vowels. Now we'll see how they are used. If you have to ask name of your younger one, younger to you, anybody who is younger to you, then we ask him, "Te kya chui now? Te kya chui now? Te kya chui now?" Okay? Can each one of you repeat this with me? Leela? Okay. Let me tell you one thing. We have written in Devanagari, it is correctly written. There is a slight mistake with Roman. It is KYA with the longest, this right to left to right axis, and it should be H also. It is kya. It is not kya. There is a mistake. We'll get it corrected. Okay. So you say kya chui now. Okay. CHH is chua, and rest is okay. Now go ahead, Leela again.
Say kya chui now.
Excellent, excellent. Now let's go to Sukriti ji. Sukriti ji, you have to read, huh?
Say kya chew now.
No, that's okay. Next one.
Oh, okay. Twahi kya hai chew now. Twahi kya hai chew now.
Chew now. Now this is used with an elderly. We have used say with somebody who is of our age or slightly lower than that, younger than us. So we use say. जैसे हिंदी का इक्वलेंट है, इंग्लिश में तो सब यू ही बोलते हैं, बट हिंदी में तुम और आप. लीला, प्लीज डोंट राइट ऑन दिस. ओके. सो देन तोही क्या चुनाव मीन्स इफ ही इज elder to us, so he has to write तोही क्या चुनाव, not स. ओके. तोही क्या चुनाव. ओके. फरहीन जी. Can you read
It's
this
like
one?
differently spelled chu and chuvu. Is it like chuvu?
No, it is chuva. It is
Se
cha.
kya chui now to hai kya chuvu now.
Actually, whenever we say with respect to somebody, tohi kya chu. Say kya chui is okay. When it is with respect, then we say tohi kya chuva now. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. That's the correct way of saying. Can you you understood this? Can you
Yeah.
read it again, please?
To hai kya chu now.
Very good. The important thing is you remember how it is written there. Very
Written.
good.
Yeah.
Very good. Now, Huzaifa ji.
मैं ही थी.
Huh?
मैं ही थी. It was me.
Acha, you sorry. Okay, Farheen.
Se kya chui now?
Okay.
To hai kya chuvu now?
Very good. Fantastic. Sukriti ji. And then Shivansh. Yeah, go ahead with the next one.
मैं chu now Vishal. मैं chu now Sangeeta.
Very good. Michu now Vishal, Michu now Sangeeta. How will you read this? All three sentences, Shivansh?
Toi kya chunav. मैं चुनाव विशाल. मैं चुनाव संगीता.
Now you have to replace the name with your own name. It is Mechunav. My name is this. Now you tell me Mechunav.
Mechunav Shivansh Kaul.
Very good.
With just 9 years old.
He's in Leela. The girl sentence. Sangeeta, replace with your name.
Mechunav Leela.
Fantastic. Now you should panas practice karen. You should garichi practice karen. Okay. Pick your phone. Now what you have to do? Pick your phone. Even if you are in the same house, you go to 2 different rooms. Now everybody has a mobile, so it's much easier. It's not the same landline that you are using everywhere. So I guess it's much easier. Pick up your phone, dial a number of any Kashmiri, your relative, friend or colleague, and ask those older to you. Mechunav Cheshta, yeah, Mechunav Leela, yeah, Mechunav Farheen, Mechunav Sukriti. Tahi kya chuva now? Okay. Can Sukriti ji, can you read this exactly? You have to read. Don't tell me from your memory.
Excuse me, can you go up for a second? I just need to do something.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Anything?
Mechu now Cheshta. Wahi kya chuvu now.
Na toshiponu na vanuna.
Actually, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm done.
Audible? Am I audible?
Now you are. Now you are. You went out
okay.
for a little bit.
No problem. Now, Sukriti ji, can you read this? You have to read. You have to use your name instead. Go ahead.
Mechu now Swikriti. Wahi kya chu now.
Again, as I said, there is a mistake in kya. It should be K-Y, A with an asterisk and H. Okay. Farheen ji.
Mechunav Farheen. To hai kya chuvu now.
Very good. Excellent. Huzaifa ji.
Mechunav Huzaifa. To hai kya chu now.
Chunav.
To hai kya chu now. Chuv now.
Very good. Excellent. Now it's correct. Generally, when you speak fluently, but basically, you should word chuv. Chuv now. Okay, good.
We also say like tuhund now, kya chumuan now.
That is also another way of saying tuhund now. That is another.
Okay.
of speaking the same thing. We will okay. Ask your younger one. Younger to you, okay? Michuna Samyukta.
Sorry, Kuldip, you keep freezing. I don't know if you can hear us.
Yeah, hold on. Sorry, I think I changed my network. It was on some other network. So I think it is not stable. So I hope I am better now. Okay, I will just share the screen again. Okay. Let's go. Michuna Samyukta से क्या छीना फरीन जी?
Michuna Farheen से क्या छुई?
Very good. Now we'll go to the next. Let me read this four, then somebody will read all this. Michunav Vishnu. Michunav Mehvish. Michunav Nikita. Michunav Malini. Yeah, if we refer to the students here. Michunav Farheen. Michunav Huzaifa. Michunav Leela. Michunav Shivansh. Okay. Michunav Sikriti. Okay. Now, so ऊपर में question था now. So when you reply to this question is that we have to see this thing. What now? That is somebody we are asking to somebody who's younger. If the younger one replies, he will say like this: Michuna Vishnu, Michuna Mehvish, Michuna Nikita, Michuna Malini. Great. So let's proceed. Now this is very important. एक चीज आप याद रखना, लास्ट टाइम जो होमवर्क भेजा था कुसुम जी को, देयर वाज सम इश्यू देयर in the way the homework was sent to her. तो क्या करना है कि that एक तो पहले ये we'll go through this and then I'll read that again. Practice saying above words as much as you can. Okay, include them in your day-to-day conversation. You don't have to speak the full sentence, just use the words to start with. So Leela, Shivansh, Farheen, Swikriti ji and Huzaifa ji, please, जिनको कश्मीरी आती है तो they will speak anyway. But I want you to practice and then write it again. Okay, जिनको कश्मीरी आती है, they will practice. तुम करें practice. Select 5 words that you find familiar in your daily use. Out of these 5 words only you have to select. Okay, not all. Each of them above, from the above 4 vowels. What I would suggest, 1 vowel from each of this and probably additional word, and write on your notebook. Okay, as we said last time, whatever page you are writing, on top of that you have to write your name and roll number. Very must. And record audio or video for your selected words. What you need to do, जब भी आप audio या video record करते हैं, or whenever you are recording, what you need to do is that you have to say at the beginning your name and roll number and then say the words, then to record. Because for Kusumji, it is very difficult to find out who is speaking. Okay, so please do that, because she downloads everything in one file, then she doesn't know who sent what. Okay, so please do that. Post pages and video to our teacher Kusumji, हमने already बात किया, तो you have got her number. Please don't post an assignment on Kosam WhatsApp group. Tell us your roll number, name in video also. Okay. Do not forget to write your name and roll number on the assignment pages जो मैंने अभी बताया. All assignments have to be submitted by Wednesday, end of day, as per your time, local time. Another thing जो मैंने आज बोला, I told in the beginning कि जो भी poems हमने last time था वो सबको बोलना था, and please sing that Ringai Malun, post it either to me or Shivani directly on our numbers or to the group. Anything is okay, but don't send it to Kusumji. Kusumji, only homework. Whatever is written here, homework, please send her only that. We don't want to bother her with a lot of work because she is already busy with a lot of things and we don't want to bother her again. Okay. Now workbook, as we have last time, this time also we have workbook. So please practice these also. Sharif, Ganimat, Kaim, Ladisha, Harif, Kasif, Radi, Wari, Kami, Rais, B, Gach, sorry, Gach, CHH. It is not TSH, it is, I read it this, it is Gach. Vat, Grat, Durk, not K, because U is not, U with the top is not on the after K. It is Durk. Atbor, Nat, Vand, Hak, Nakwot, Kut, Kuns, Kum, Kutis, Tur, Rup, Jatuntun, Journey, Kafi, Daimi, Banikar, Ravani, Tarif, Tayari, Payadari, Sari, Jabir, Reh, Sehr, Yeli, Teli, Bey, Beni, Sekül, Breh, Tre, Ve, Koh, Toh, Dod, Ruf, Pod. Janglat, Gandun, Jinaban, Tilasmat, Jurum, Abyagat, Dilavar, Ruwangun, Sharikat, Teshal, Sangar, Sont, Durun, Grahast, Khilun, Jauhar, Wandur, Markhor, Grangal, Watun, Darel, Kudur, Shaitan, Jangul, Tarfarosh, Kuner, Quawok, Soruf, Vet, Fyarun, Bujar, Lokten, Chapur, Dumel, Sor, Poh, Gun, Duk, Hook, Baj, Vanwol, Saval, Sharab, Reshmar, Vejbror, Pyad, Pagah, Surting, Adai, Varia. I don't know if this is correct or not. I'll just check this. Vatir, Mashikrar, Vanabal, Dunyahas, Panyan, Suti, Jangi. So you have seen, मैं पिछले 2 साल से पढ़ रहा हूँ तो भी मेरे को जब because I read it in Roman, I also make sometimes a mistake while writing because o ch it happens. So you have to read, you have to keep looking at the word how it is written और उसके बाद बोलना है. I think these are enough words for practice. Don't worry about their meaning. Just see how you can pronounce them, understanding how you learned. Okay. Okay. So
I have
that
a
is it.
question actually.
Yeah. Sukriti ji बोलिए.
वो नाम वाले सेक्शन पे आएंगे एक बार. वो नाम नीचे वाले जो हम नाम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे.
ओके. हाँ बोलिए.
तो इसमें ये से क्या छू नाव.
छुई नाव. से क्या छुई नाव. से क्या छुई नाव. से क्या छुई.
में ये छू लिखा है. अगर छुई होगा तो इसमें छोटी की मात्रा आएगी ना. ये
नहीं ये लिखा है ना. छ ओ ये है ना.
तो लाइक बोल रहे हैं तो ऐसा लग रहा है छुई बोल रहे हैं. और
नहीं छुई नहीं है. It is not e. It is छुई.
Chew, but
छुई. See, if you read it in Roman, you see chh is ch u y chui. It is not chui. Chui is also a word, but it is not what is written here. Okay.
Chew. Can you pronounce it again?
Chui. Say kya chui now.
Chui now. Say kya hai chui now.
Now. Only now. Now. Now would be if there was an Ardhachandra under v. That would be nav. Okay. But it is now only. Okay. No problem. Anybody else? Like for example, chuv. Ch u v with the Ardhachandra at the bottom. So it would be chuv. Okay. So it is chui yahan par and nav separate. Anybody else in the class from Farheen ji, Huzaifa ji, Shivansh, Leela? Anybody has any question?
I have one question.
Sure, go ahead.
Would it be possible to get the definitions to the words at the end?
Yeah, we'll do that, but not today. I'll give you a little later. Yeah, sure. Anytime. We have a separate session where we teach vocabulary. Here we want the purpose of this whole thing is to make you practice how it is to be pronounced, a particular pronunciation is to it. Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Anybody else who wants to say anything? Shall I close this share screen? Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll stop share. Now we can have a direct talk. Huzaifa ji, I can't see. I think she has either dropped off or something has happened. Okay. Now, two things. One, akchish one karo sari kashir patkat. Chikcha, when some pores vare lesson, tatos Angres part likit, tatos Hindi part likit. I should paron when kashir part. I should core as lesson number z. Z kashir part shivana to us z. Ak z. Okay. One is ak, z is 2. Okay. So as per lesson number z, as should take karin lesson to sari word parin, using to one moment, to issue sari using as word as special vowel per tatman should to timson word meaning should. So thaun yad, wo paro next time paro ba khali Angres word. To issue me kashir pat one. Magar yam sab to issue sozun Kosam ji issue to homework sozun, to issue total 5 words sozun. I would suggest to करियो आखक vowel 4 6 6 नहीं गाज आख कर तो बेका ठीक है last vowel जो last time 2 किए थे which will practice you. So you will send that, you will read that, you will write it on a piece of paper with the name of your name and roll number on top. Same thing when you send an audio or video, you'll first start with your name and roll number, then say what you are reading. Okay, clear?
इम्पोर्टेंट है ये काफी ज्यादा होमवर्क आप कैसे सेंड करते हैं
कुसुम जी को बहुत तकलीफ हुई थी कुछ
ना
मुश्किल हो गया था
मैं तो वहीं तक विद ऐड
श्योर गो अहेड
बिकॉज़ इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपका करेक्टली भेजें आप होमवर्क, उससे ये भी पता चलता है आप सीरियस हैं पढ़ने के लिए, और आपने अच्छे से पढ़ने के बाद रिवाइज करने के बाद फिर होमवर्क भेजा है। वो कशर पर जड़ छन वाले नख के इन शॉर्ट दैट मीन्स कि बस फटाफट काम नहीं खत्म करना है, आप तभी वेडनेसडे तक का टाइम दिया है ताकि संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे आप रिवाइज करें, उसको पढ़ें बार बार, और वेडनेसडे को जब आप भेजें तो उसमें कम से कम गलतियां हों। बिल्कुल परफेक्ट तो नहीं हो सकता ऑब्वियसली, बट कम से कम गलतियां। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्लियर होना चाहिए, नीटली रिटन होना चाहिए, और नीटली आपने उसको अपना रोल नंबर और अपना नाम भी लिखा होना चाहिए उस पर। ठीक है, तो आई होप कि नेक्स्ट टाइम का होमवर्क सबमिशन फॉर लेसन नंबर 2 विल बी द बेस्ट वन। यस
डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट है हमारे।
Yes.
बड़े जान शूरिया बर्ड सरी च बड़ जान
शुरी युस्त पढ़ाई छु करान सुजो शुरी याद
तेल च सारी को ज्यादा शुर छुस तेल बुई छुस बिंदी हेचान।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
ये नील जी, by any chance did you get this book finally there which you had ordered last time?
Yes, we have. Yes,
now,
we got like 5 of them.
Since you are asking me about those words, a lot of them appear here.
They're in that book? Okay.
Must be. Most of them, lot of them. Okay, just it came to my mind. Okay. Anything else? Anybody? Farheen ji? Anything?
No questions.
Okay, great.
But I'll try Nasturek on my side.
But susujo to me mention kusum ji shun taga nastale.
To one me gode.
To is me. Question par raha hai. I'll try. Tamsid ke mid practice to I guess practice. Chalo.
Church में लिख मित when निशान विशान हिच बुत सच सो दो।
ये question par raha है अब तो गस 10वें हिच एक वर्ड आप क्या पर रहा है। Okay, Sukriti ji, anything?
No. Practice चाहिए बस।
Practice चाहिए, और अगली बार से कश्मीरी में बात करनी है। Even if 1 word, 2 words doesn't matter. आख लफ्ज़ अस हेच दोन सेशनन मज वारिया लफ्ज़ कहाँ ते लफ्ज़ हेक्यो तो यूज करित। ओके शिवांश next time Techi mesiten katkarin kashir pert. You know what I'm saying? You have to speak to me in Kashmiri next time.
Okay.
You have to use the words which we learned in the last 2 sessions. Okay? Thank you. God bless you. Same thing goes with Leela. Very good. That goes with Leela also. Yes. Leela, and you have to read your poem which we didn't say today. You have to learn. Next class you have to share it with me. Okay? Okay, Leela? Great. Thank you. Let's call it a day now. I think we had a long session today. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. The Milog Barnas Mazar Kawatai Logo Mazikin. As Bajay 8:30 se. Yasan Thana and you could go. Which Kamaras Manzar under can be hit, you could go.
Ashi Sheen the Krakadevan Patkinta was hop current be.
Okay, dear. Chalo. Namaskar.
Okay, namaskar.
God bless you all
For today's class. Namaskar.
Enjoy.
Namaskar. Bye-bye.
Bye.